Callie with Jemminz, and today we're doing another bath bomb in our 52-week challenge. It's another kids bath bomb, and we are doing a really cool candy. What kid does not like candy? Excuse me. So these little molds are from Cada Molds. We're going to use this one today, and we are going to use a scent called Candy Crush. So this one is especially for kids and adults. I actually like this one. It's got a beautiful candy scent. Really nice and sweet and yummy. So we'll do this little mold, and then we will do the Candy Crush. All right, let me turn the camera down and we'll get going here. All right, so in our bucket, we already have the SLSA as always, and we have in our sifter, we have baking soda, citric acid, and cornstarch. You can substitute arrowroot or any other, let's see, cornstarch or cream of tartar in your bath bombs if you want to substitute your binder. I happen to like the cornstarch. It seems to work best for me. But you could definitely use arrowroot. In fact, I do use arrowroot every once in a while. It actually works out really, really well. All right, so that's done. Let's get that out of there. All right, we're going to add a little bit of this really pretty lime green. And the center of our bath bomb today is going to be this really pretty, I'll show you here in just a second. Oops, I forgot to grab a paper towel. Is this really pretty orange. Now it's going to go really bright orange when we're done, but we're going to put that in the center of our bath bombs here. So it'll have a color burst. It will not fizz and foam. It's just a color burst to give you a little bit of fun color. All right, let me go grab my, all right, let's grab our pipette so we can pull our, put in our essential, or not our essential oil, but our fragrance oil. Okay, and then we're going to add water. Our polysorbate 80. I have a little bit more because that kind of got sucked up into the tube there. Just a touch. All right, so there's that. And then a little bit of our hemp seed oil. All right. Wipe my hands off. Get this mixed up. Mix that color in there. These are going to be really fun. You can do these candies as different colors. I'm just using the lime green because it's such a bright, fun color. All right, so that's all mixed up. Let's pour that in. All right, we're going to scrape this out. Get all the rest of that in there so we have nice moisture in our bath bombs. Yes, I am not wearing PPE, and that's okay. This is a demo product only. I do not use, excuse me, I do use the PPE when I am doing my bath bomb, so just be aware of that. I'm just doing it for this because it's easier and faster for me. And I've broken out in hives because of the gloves. So this was just a demo. It's not going to get sold. I never sell my demo products for that reason. Okay. It's fairly well mixed. We'll put that aside here. Now let's get this mixed up. And because I have nails also. And it's a good idea to wear gloves when you're doing this to keep our hands nice and clean and sterilized. I always wash my hands in really super hot water with a really good Dawn dish soap. And then I put gloves on after I dry my hands off with a clean towel always. and then I put my gloves on. So there's proper sterilization in our studio always. That's a little bit on the dry side. I can feel it. Let's add a little bit more of this. That should be enough. Mix that all in really good. Make that a good strong bath bomb. Yeah, now it's sticking together better. Make sure that is all mixed in. We'll probably get a couple of bath bombs out of this little, because this is a really tiny little bath bomb, which is okay. I expect that when I do these. All right, so base with the round there. I'm suspecting I'm going to get 2 bath bombs out of this, so that's what we're going to aim for here. I'm going to put a little divot in there. Put that in there. Our color burst, and then we're going to add this on top. Oops, got some of that mixed in. That's okay. And then what we're going to do, yeah, we're going to get 2 bath bombs out of this. So this pack will come with 2 bath bombs, it looks like. We'll test it out here. We'll see what we get. If I can get 2 out of it, awesome. If not, then that's great too. I'd like to get 2 out of this. We're going to tap this to loosen it up. Both sides all the way around. Top and bottom. Okay, that loosened up really good this time, so yay. All right, so we're going to tap the bottom out here. Tip this inside our bucket here. And then we're going to pull this up. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing here. It's kind of hard. Pull the stamp, pull that out. Pull the stamp right off. There you go. There is our first bath bomb. Isn't that cute? Cute, cute, cute. All right, so let's do the second one. Put this on the bottom. Again, I'm going to pull that away. I'm going to put that in the center here, because we don't want our color burst to be out. I may get 2 out of this. I may not. Sometimes I can, sometimes I can't. It really surprises me sometimes. All right, so this is going to go in the center. Well, it was going to go in the center. All right, we're not going to worry about it. This is going to be the bottom part of the bath bomb anyway, so they're not really going to see it. Yeah, this got, we got 2 bath bombs out of this. This is perfect. So let's put this in there. All right, put that in there. Leave that out because I have to tap it down, make sure that it's leveled out here all the way around. Stamp this down. Oh, shoot. That did not pick up like it normally does. That's okay. We can repair that. Right there in the corner. Press this down really hard, evenly. Flip it over, do the same thing because we want that stamp to come through. Ah, it did, it released. All right, so that's our bottom. Flip this over really carefully so as not to break the bath bomb. Very carefully lift that out. And then we're going to lift the top up. There you go. So we got 2 bath bombs out of this one. That's awesome. All right, there you go, you guys. There is our Candy Crush bath bomb. I'm just going to call this the little candy because they're so cute. There's 2 of them. This will be for kids. Adults, you can definitely order this if you like. If you know the Candy Crush scent, or if it sounds good to you, you can definitely order that one, and they will be available too. I'll split this. They are uneven, as you can see, But I will, when I go to make them for yours, I'll split the batter in half and then we'll spit it in each one, and that will work out better for us. And maybe I'll make 2 separate different colors. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But anyway, there you go. There's your Candy Crush Bath Bomb. All right. Thanks everybody for joining me. I truly appreciate you. Have a really great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification button, and don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks everybody. Have a great day. Bye.